Imagine this. Your car breaks down tomorrow, or you get a medical bill you didn't expect, or your rent jumps overnight. One emergency, just one, and suddenly you're in debt. If that sounds familiar, this video is for you. Because here's a shocking truth most people don't want to admit. Most Americans aren't broke because they're irresponsible. They're broke because the system leaves no room for mistakes. Let's be honest for a moment. On paper, everything looks fine. People have jobs. People work hard. Some even budget carefully. But in real life, one unexpected expense is enough to push millions into credit card debt, loans, or missed payments. That's not laziness. That's fragility. Here's why this is happening. First, income looks stable, but expenses aren't. Your paycheck comes once or twice a month, but life charges you every single day. Rent, groceries, gas, insurance, utilities, healthcare. None of these wait for your salary to catch up. So when something unexpected hits, like a $900 car repair or a $1,500 medical bill, there's no cushion. Not because people didn't try to save, but because saving has become a luxury. Second problem, wages didn't grow with reality. Yes, salaries went up a little over the years, but the cost of living didn't go up a little. It exploded. Housing costs doubled. Healthcare became unaffordable. Food prices climbed quietly every year. So even responsible people are forced to live paycheck to paycheck, not because they want to, but because there's no other option. Now here's the dangerous part. When emergencies happen, people don't have cash, they have credit. Credit cards step in as solutions, not for vacations, not for shopping sprees, for survival. That's how debt starts, silently. You swipe once, then again, then interest kicks in, and suddenly the emergency is over, but the debt stays. Third issue, America quietly shifted from safety to risk. Decades ago, stable jobs, pensions, and affordable healthcare acted like shock absorbers. Today, you're on your own. No paid time off, miss a paycheck. Health issue, pay thousands. Job loss, your savings disappear in weeks. This system doesn't punish bad choices, it punishes normal life. And this is why even smart people struggle. College graduates, professionals, people who understand money. They didn't fail, they adapted, using debt to survive. But surviving on debt slowly kills your future. You stop planning long term. You stop investing. You stop thinking ahead. Everything becomes about this month. So what's the real lesson here? Being one emergency away from debt isn't a personal weakness. It's a warning sign. A sign that income without buffers is fragile. That effort alone isn't enough anymore. That financial stability today requires strategy, not just discipline. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is control. Small cash buffers, smarter income choices, understanding the rules instead of blaming yourself. Because the truth is simple and uncomfortable. In today's America, it's not the reckless who fall into debt first, it's the unprepared. And preparation starts with understanding. If this video felt uncomfortably real, you're not alone. Subscribe for honest breakdowns of money, systems, and the realities no one explains, without fake motivation or guilt. Because the system changed, and the sooner you understand it, the sooner you stop being one emergency away from debt.